Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A very easy Rotel dip is on the menu today. And before we get into these ingredients, be sure to hit that like, that subscribe button, and that share. And if you're coming back, I do appreciate it. I thank you so much. And don't forget, hit that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put a new video up. How about that? Thank you. All right, fam, this is everything you need to make an easy Rotel dip in no particular order, though. All right, so you need some milk. You need milk, taco seasoning. I'm using a slow cooker and slow cooker liners for easy cleanup. So if you don't have an aluminum pan or something that's going to clean up easy for you, crock pot is the best thing. All right, I'm going to use Doritos for dipping. Some ground beef. You see ground beef patties right there, but I'm going to crumble it up, show you in a minute. I'm going to brown it. All right, mild cheddar cheese, Rotel, jalapenos, cream cheese, and back there, peeking around, is the Velveeta. Now, y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get to it. All right, to a hot pan, we do want to add our ground beef, in this case, patties for me. Now, we want to season this, so you want to sprinkle a little bit of seasoning onto your ground beef, and you want to make sure you get it into a nice crumble. Well, with any dish, you season every step of the way, so you want to make sure you season this, but don't over season it. So that's why I say sprinkle some seasoned salt on it. Any other seasoning you might like. I probably use onion powder, garlic powder, that sort of seasoning. So, all right, so we're just going to cook this, get this into a nice crumble, then we'll add it to our cheese. Check this out. So we get to the part now where we're going to prep everything and then throw it into the crock pot really quickly. All right, so the Velveeta cheese, I'm going to use the entire package of the Velveeta cheese. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cut it into some nice big chunks. So I suggest you do that too. So cut it into some nice squares here so that it evenly melts, but it just melts a little bit quicker than if you just put the entire thing in there. At least I think so anyway. All right, so we're going to get these cut really nicely, and we're going to get the cream cheese cut up the same way. So we're going to take half of 1 pack of cream cheese, and then we're going to cut it into squares, just like we did. So we're going to cube it, just like we did the cheese. So make a long story short, cube the cheese, all of the cheese, the cream cheese, the Velveeta, all of it. All right, and then we're going to move on to the next step. All right. Y'all got a close-up. How about that? How about an extra close-up? Close-up. Got more than a bird's eye view. All right. You can see some of my little grease is left in there, but that's okay. That's fine. It's gonna mix in perfectly. So let's not trip. Oops, sorry. Did I do that and shake that? I don't like messes. No mess. Now, to this we're gonna add the Rotel, juice and all. Add the Rotel, add all of it. The entire pan of Rotel will go in there. After that, we'll let our cream cheese go in. The entire. Oh, no! Y'all wanna know what I just did? I just started putting everything into the crock pot, minus the bag. And what happens when this cheese sticks to this crock pot? It ain't no joke. So, tell y'all what I'm gonna do. Tell y'all what I'm gonna do right now. These some big these slow cooker liners too. They're like huge. All right, so I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna take everything out of here. So I'm gonna take this out. That's a slow cooker liner. I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna pour it into here. All right, into the slow cooker liner. I'll put the rest of the cheese in. Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna put the rest of the cheese in here. I'm gonna wash that out. I'm gonna come right back. And with the slow liner, liner, put it in there. All right, so we're gonna put a bunch of mild cheddar cheese. About a third of a bag of mild cheddar cheese. I keep moving the camera, I'm sorry. The jalapenos are gonna come at the very end, but you do wanna put a couple tablespoons of milk. So I got, yeah, just a couple. No biggie. All right, so I got a half tablespoon. So I'm gonna put, all right, that's 2 tablespoons, okay? All right, now, that's everything. Ground beef, Rotel tomatoes, jalapenos, cream cheese, shredded cheese, taco seasoning, Velveeta, and milk, okay? Put more taco seasoning than I did if you like. All right, so put this on high. We're gonna let this go until this cheese melts, so keep watching it. So you're gonna keep on until this melts down a little bit. Sorry, it was touching the top, so I had to get it off. There. All right, I'll be back when it melts. Easy, easiest Rotel in the world. All right, y'all, back in this Lowe's kitchen. What's up, what's up, what's up? All right, so I got the Rotel dip in the crock pot. And it's been like 30 minutes since I put it in here, so we're gonna see. I have it on high. Everybody knows slow cooker is just that, a slow cooker. But anyway, we're gonna take a look at it. So I'm gonna angle down so you can see. I'm gonna see what's happening after about 30 minutes. All right, so after about 30 minutes, you can see, I don't know if that's close enough. I'm gonna try to get a little more light so you can see some of the cheese on the top hasn't melted yet, but if you can see around the sides, then the Velveeta has melted into a very thick, gooey, okay, all right. Oh Lord, I see the meat turning, y'all. My goodness. Meat, this is meaty, cheesy. Tomatoes, I couldn't ask for more. All right, so I'm gonna give it a real good stir though. So that's what I'm doing. Give it a real good stir. Check that out, look at that. Look at that. Oh wee. Yep, I see the cream cheese melting. It smells so good. If you could smell it, it smells really good. All right, so we're gonna put the top back on it. So judging by that, we're gonna give it like 30 more minutes and then come back. And it's ready. All right, it's bubbling up nicely around the edges. Now you can put this on warm if you want to and leave it in here. But I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna plate it up really quickly for me and my family to eat. But this is easy cleanup. Look at this bag. I'm gonna come right back. Yep, we back to my favorite part. Tasting part. Now remember I told you you can use you can put some more stuff on here if you want to. If it makes sense to do sour cream, hot peppers, you can put more. Tomatoes, you can put lettuce. Cilantro, I put green onions. So I mean, it's your choice. But this is great. Let me dig into it first. Ooh, my little Dorito broke, but y'all, look at that. Mmm. I dropped the second Dorito. Let me tell y'all, I dropped it. That is delicious, but y'all know what? I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna put a pickled jalapeno pepper on it. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try it with a jalapeno. Mmm. Somebody dropped something. All right, let me tell y'all, this is so good. It's good for a snack at night. You're having company, having a party. This is a great hot dip. Get everybody ready for the rest of your great food. So go make this. You can put it in the crock pot. Another way you can do it, you can put it in a disposable pan and put it in the oven until the cheese melts, and just stir everything up together, really. So just throw it in the pan, stir it up, bam, you ready. Easy peasy. I'm telling y'all, go make this. Go make it. I gotta drink my Coke now, but go make this dip. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.